Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below to snag your special discount on Cryptohopper. Don't miss out. Alright, so you've heard about Cryptohopper and you're wondering, is this the ultimate crypto trading bot? Well, grab your coffee and let's break it down. First up, what is Cryptohopper? It's an automated trading bot designed to help you trade cryptocurrencies 24/7 without you having to lift a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? But does it really deliver? Let's start with the good stuff. Cryptohopper offers a variety of features that cater to both newbies and seasoned traders. The easy-to-use interface is perfect for beginners. You can copy trading strategies from experienced traders with just a few clicks. And for the pros out there, you get advanced tools like backtesting, trailing stops, and technical indicators. It's like having a crypto Swiss Army knife. Now let's talk performance. The bot operates on the cloud, meaning no downtime and no need to keep your computer running all the time. Plus, it's compatible with major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, and Kraken. So you're covered on all fronts, but is it foolproof? Let's be real here. No trading bot can guarantee profits. The crypto market is volatile and unpredictable. Cryptohopper can help manage your trades and minimize risks, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You still need to understand the basics of trading and keep an eye on market trends. Now, what about pricing? Cryptohopper offers several plans, from the free Pioneer plan to the more advanced Hero plan. The higher tier plans come with more features, but it's great to see that there's an option for every budget. And remember, you can get a discount by clicking the link below. So is Cryptohopper the ultimate crypto trading bot? It definitely has a lot going for it. Ease of use, robust features, and solid performance. But like any tool, its effectiveness ultimately depends on how you use it. If you're willing to put in the time to learn and adapt, Cryptohopper can be a valuable asset in your trading arsenal. Alright, that's a wrap. Don't forget to click the link in the description for your discount and give Cryptohopper a test drive. Happy trading, and may the crypto odds be ever in your favor. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. Catch you next time.